Hey everyone, Mr. Andrew here, back with another skills video. Today we're going to be looking at how do we interpret the periodic table. So here I have a problem. It says, for each of the elements below, identify the atomic symbol, atomic number, atomic mass, period number, group number, and the amount of each of the subatomic particles, protons, neutrons, and electrons. So I'm going to just start by working my way through these one by one. Okay. So first I want the symbol. The symbol is always the one or two letter abbreviation kind of in the middle of each of the squares. So for fluorine here, our symbol is F. For palladium right here, our symbol is PT. Okay. Remember, the second letter of the symbol is always lowercase and the first letter is always capitalized. Okay. Second, the atomic number. Okay. The atomic number is always in the left-hand corner, or usually it's on the top of the square. Sometimes it'll vary a little bit, but you can always tell the atomic number, because it will be the smaller of the two numbers in the boxes. So our number for fluorine is 9, and for platinum, our number is 78. Our mass is the larger of the two numbers. In this case, it's 18.998. And here for platinum, it's 195.08. Okay. Let's see, period number. So if we look at the periodic table right here, fluorine, if we go straight across, is in the second period, period 2. And platinum, if you go straight across, is in period 6. So the period is just what row is it in. So fluorine is period 2. Platinum is in period 6. Okay. Next, the group number. Okay. Mistake. Okay, the group number is what column are they in? What column number? So fluorine right here is in column 17, so it's in group 17. Platinum right here is in column 10. Okay. So fluorine is group 17. Platinum is in group 10. Okay, lastly, the amount of each of the subatomic particles. So we need protons. Protons are abbreviated with a lowercase p with a plus. Neutrons is a lowercase n with a 0. And electrons, which are a lowercase e with a minus symbol. Okay. This upper right-hand corner position right here is where we indicate the charge of any particles. So, because protons are positively charged, neutrons have no charge, and electrons are negatively charged, we put their charges in the upper left-hand corner. Okay. So, protons are really easy to find because they're equal to the atomic number. So, for fluorine, there's 9 protons. For palladium, there's 78. Sorry, I said palladium, I mean platinum. Electrons, because these are neutral atoms, the electrons are going to be equal to the number of protons. So that's also going to be 9 and 78. And for neutrons, it's a little bit more complicated because for the neutrons, you have to know the mass and the number of protons and do a little bit of a calculation. Remember, the mass is equal to the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. So if we take the mass and round it to the nearest whole number, we have 19 equals the number of protons, which is 9, plus the number of neutrons, which we don't know. So we can use algebra right here. Subtract 9 from both sides. That cancels out. And we're left with neutrons is equal to 19 minus 9, which is just 10. Okay. So fluorine has 9 protons, 10 neutrons, and 9 electrons. For platinum over here, our mass is 195.08, so we're going to go with 195 equals 78 plus the number of neutrons. We subtract 78 from both sides, and get is neutrons is equal to 117. So there are 117 neutrons. So platinum will have 78 protons, 117 neutrons, and 78 electrons. So hopefully you find this helpful, and I'll see you next time.